I love our little drone. It's like, and Bruno loves it too, right? So all it takes is like really, you press a few buttons.
Follow 3, 2, 1.
And then that thing is following you around. It's crazy. Then you just stand still, put your hand out, go close, and it lands. I think there's something where it is in front of you. Let's check this out.
Circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track.
Okay.
Bar, direction track. 3, 2, 1.
And what it does with that, it actually films you from the front. It's running around like it is drunk, but it's kind of working. And if you want it back, you stand still, put your hand out, and it comes back to you. Love it. Only thing is, I have like deeper in the jungle, it doesn't work really because there are too many trees and apparently it can't get enough satellites, so we always have to come out a little bit where we have some open skies, but that's okay. Good drone. So and then here with this controller, actually you can fly the drone manually. So let's do this.
Take off. Home point updated.
Let's fly this baby up a little bit so that we can see the jungle. Okay. It's getting windy. And up it goes. Just beautiful. Slide this baby down. That's it. Easy peasy. Like really a drone for beginners. I mean, the camera is not that great really, but I mean, hey, for us goofing around out here in the jungle, it's just good. And tough cookie, this drone. I don't know how many times I crashed it. Fortunately, I got it back all the time. But because I don't fly too high and too far, it's basically just following us around, Bruno and myself. It's a good thing. And I'm not getting paid by DJI for saying that, so it's just a nice little toy to have. If you get one, enjoy it.